This video is a demo of migrating out of your current software, such as QuickBooks, onto BeetleBooks. We'll just need a few reports: your trial balance, AR aging detail, AP aging detail, and item valuation summary. Any accounting software should be able to produce those reports. So for example, in QuickBooks Desktop, I just go to my trial balance dated on the day I want to do the migration, create the CSV file. And I've already created these reports. So we'll jump over to BeetleBooks and create our sample 2. And we will just open our migration system. And it tells us to just upload the reports here, and it will figure it out. So I'm going to go to my sample 2, grab the files and upload them and send those into BeetleBooks, and it will figure it out. So kind of what we're aiming for here is to have a matching trial balance on this day in the new system, which BeetleBooks and the sample company, it sets it into 2029, so that's weird. But our accounts payable is 651730. We want that to match the AP aging detail. So we pulled that up on the day. We can see that 651730. So we just need to get all these numbers to tie out, and BeetleBooks will help us make sure that we have this initial trial balance entry and all the necessary AR invoices and AP bills and item valuations are created. So we'll just let BeetleBooks work away on this. Okay, so we're getting a response here. And this weird payment for negative 21,000. Let me check where that's getting that from. Yeah, it's pulling in. Not exactly sure why this pulls this in as a credit memo, but we'll just see if we can run with it. But there's a negative $21,000 line there. That's what BeetleBooks is pointing out, so I just wanted to check that out. So bills, inventory valuation. It goes through this, make sure that the AR invoices we create plus the AR memos we create equals the AR balance. So it's doing these checks for us. Same on the AP side, and then same for our inventory as well. No sales tax payable, so we're leaving that empty. It's just going to create a cost of goods sold account for us. That's fine. Income accounts are omitted. That's fine. So we can click through this and see what it's creating. Just make sure that this all looks good, and we can run a dry run, and it says, yep, everything is going to work. So when we commit that, it creates that journal entry. So it actually creates a few entries here. The first one is the big one. Let's see if we can find it. 650,000 on 11/30. So this one is going to be that initial entry. And then a bunch of these entries are creating specific inventory accounts or invoices. So now if we look at our AR, we can see that we have a matching AR aging detail. So 16, 226, and 60. These outstanding numbers with these balances, it all looks good. And then that credit memo outstanding. If we look at our inventory module, we can see that we have, let's say for this item, let's open that in here and search for this 5029. Once Excel opens, so 5029 -03. So 77 on hand with a valuation of 1424. 77 valuation of 1424. So you could spot check that, but so far looking good. And this is the item accounts page, so that shows clearing accounts with negative values. But the inventory page shows our quantities here. And then if we go to trial balance, date this forward to November 30th, we get our 659.59, and that matches 659.59 and 93. So pretty good overall migration. Let's check the balance sheet. Might be something goofy here with retained earnings, but we'll see. So we have 301,000 in assets, and here we have 293. So not exactly sure actually why the trial balance is a perfect match, and well, I know it's because the net income is different. So it's 118 here, and here it's 109. So I'm not sure if there's QuickBooks has a different crossover date or accounting period that I haven't set up in BeetleBooks, but pretty sure if I chase that down, it would match because the trial balance matches on that day. Something with that that net income and retained earnings is different. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It quickly, with really no accounting experience, you can get a fully migrated system with matching AR, AP, and inventory migrated.